An important part of the scientific process is to design a fair test. This means considering what you are changing, your independent variable, and what you will measure, your dependent variable, and controlling for all other variables. When we control for variables, we keep them the same. You can think of this like two people having a race. If one person won the race, you might think that they are faster. But you cannot be sure this is true if one person had their shoelaces tied together and the other did not. This would not be a fair test. So, for example, if I'm trying to find out if playing music to plants makes them grow faster, I would measure the growth of plants grown with and without music, but I would need to make sure all other variables were the same, such as the amount of seeds I planted, how much I watered the plants, where I kept the plants, and so on.